Well, hey folks, how's it all going? Welcome back. And oh man, as you can see, I have plenty of choices when it comes to grilling. But when it's after work and I just want a hot and fast pizza, folks, I'll tell you what, faster than the oven right here. The Blackstone actually was called the patio oven. It's the best thing to cook on it is pizza. That thing spins and it gets super duper hot. It's got a nice pizza stone on there. And if you've watched my channel before, you've seen me cook on this before. If you haven't watched me before, folks, these things, because people always ask, where can I get one? Well, they're really not available anymore. Blackstone stopped making them. They had some issues with it. If you watch my videos on this thing, you'll know what kind of issues they had and what I did to fix it. So if you have one and you're saying, you know what, the thing's sitting on a garage, I haven't used it because it didn't work right, go back and watch the videos from Tom Horseman where I show you how to fix this and make it work awesomely better, if I can say that. So where can you find them? Folks, Facebook Marketplace. I used to have 2 of these, and then the last one I found and I fixed up and then I gave it away was on Facebook Marketplace. But today we're gonna get this thing fired up, get it super hot, and then show you just a take and bake that we're gonna put on there. All right, folks, about 5 minutes into it. Let's, wanna see how hot it gets? Let's take a look, see. Oh man, look at that. Over 600 degrees. That's impressive. That's gonna make a nice pizza. So I'll tell you what, let's take a look at the pizza and get it on there. All right, folks, there it is. That's how I transition it from the cardboard of this take a bake pizza. So let's get her on there. She is. Look at that. This won't take long. Stay tuned, folks. Seconds, and we're already starting to get bubbles starting to pop up. I got this bubble popper, and we pop the bubbles. Like that, because bubbles are bad when it comes to pizza. Give you another look-see. Look at that, they just come, you know. Popping bubbles is fun. All right, I'll give you a look-see once it's done, folks. Thanks for watching. Oh man, look at that. That pizza wasn't on there a minute and a half, and it is stands up on its own. Look at the bottom. Oh man, I'll take a little taste test. That's awesome. Folks, Tom Horseman on YouTube. Please subscribe. Thumbs up, leave a comment, as always. Thanks for watching.